save a little money on those two things, the idler and the tensioner, belt tensioner and the belt idler. So what I did, I just changed the bearing on this idler, which is the number is 6303, and it gets only one. And then this tensioner, the bearings are 6203, and it gets two of those bearings. So instead of buying the whole thing, which is probably would cost me for two of those, I don't know, probably around $300 or even more, I just bought the bearings, 3 bearings, which has cost me less than $50, and replace the bearings on those two things and save some money.